Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about buying a Relx vape but don't want to pay full price, I've got you covered. Today I'll share the latest Relx coupon codes and discounts so you can save money on your purchase. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest deal. Relx is one of the most popular vape brands worldwide, known for sleek designs, smooth flavors, and reliable performance. Whether you're buying pods, starter kits, or accessories, Relx has options for every vaporant. And the best part is, you don't have to pay full price. Here are the codes you can try. RELX15, save 15% off site-wide. RELX20, extra 20% off orders over $100. Welcome 10, flat 10% off for first-time buyers. Bundle 25, save 25% off when purchasing pods in bulk. Free ship 2025, free shipping on selected orders. Simply click the special link in the description, add your RELX products to the cart, apply one of these coupon codes at checkout, and watch the price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum discount, try another, and one of these will definitely work. So don't wait. RELX promos are time sensitive, and the most popular flavors and kits sell out fast. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and get your Relx vape at the best price today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more discount codes and product tips, and let me know in the comments which code worked for you. See you in the next one.